My fucking shit.
Nope.
I'm fucking the base right now. Give me my shit. I'll fucking do it. Give me my fucking backpack, bitch.
Punch him, Debbie! Fuck this fool up right now. I got your back.
Stop. I just want to go home. Leave me alone.
Sorry.
I got your back, Debbie. Come on, fuck this fool up. I swear to God, fuck this fool up right now.
I'm not fucking anyone up. I just want my shit. Leave me alone. Fuck.
Hey man, I was just happy and you fucking start shit.
Yeah, I started talking shit. What the fuck?
Did.
Fuck you, man. Fuck you.
I love you! K-Town! I love you!
You wasted a beer, Debbie.
There's no fucking beer in that. The other fucking one's full, bitch.
Nah, it's not anymore.
How is it not full? It fell on the fucking grass, you moron. Go fucking fetch after it, bitch.
After dumbass and look at it.
Ay, mami. Ugh.
No, I'm not gonna fucking chill. Fuck you, faggot. Fuck.
You're a faggot. Kevin's a faggot. Let me instigate this bitch. Just sock this fool up, Debbie. Spit on him or something. Spit on him. Spit on this bitch. Hi, mommy. This is K-Town Cut. 213. Be back in like 2 minutes. Thank you very much.